Hi, I'm Steve Schaeber from Max, and welcome to this special session discussing the use and benefits of Orbia's newest automotive refrigerant, R444A, a higher performing and economical direct replacement for R1234YF. Before getting into our topic, let's take a moment to learn about Orbia. Orbia owns and operates one of the world's largest fluorine miners and has produced fluorinated refrigerants for many years. In fact, Orbia is one of the world's largest manufacturers of R134A. Orbia's businesses share a common theme: to advance life around the world. This theme is applied to all its businesses: fluor and energy materials, polymer solutions, building and infrastructure, connectivity solutions, and precision agriculture. Okay, let's move on to the topic of this presentation: new refrigerants from Orbia Fluor and Energy Materials. Klea Edge R444A was developed as an alternative to R1234YF, currently installed in most production vehicles globally. When R1234YF replaced R134A, OEMs had to modify systems to match 134A's performance. R444A was designed to match 134A performance at a lower cost. As a direct replacement, it cools a vehicle up to 4 minutes faster than R1234YF. No system changes are needed to retrofit the R1234YF system to R444A. And R444A has not polymerized in any testing done to date. Now we will walk step by step through both the retrofit and service inspection procedures, which are available to download from the website on your screen. Here are the tools you will need: a R machine to recover the refrigerant being replaced, and to charge, a gauge set, vacuum pump, digital scale, and refrigerant-specific adapters. Using certified refrigerant recovery recycling equipment for the refrigerant to be replaced, remove the refrigerant from the vehicle and note the amount of refrigerant and oil being removed. Change or adapt the vehicle's high side and low side service ports. While this step may not be required outside the US, it is suggested to help prevent refrigerant cross-contamination. Using equipment designated for the new refrigerant, vacuum the system for 10 minutes, or until it holds vacuum for 5 minutes, dropping less than 3 inches of mercury during that period. Add the specified compatible oil based upon the amount removed during recovery. Set the charging scale to the R1234YF weight indicated on the J639 label, or as directed by OEM service information. Charge from a virgin refrigerant can or cylinder in liquid state. Start the vehicle and turn the AC on max. Observe the pressures and ensure the center vent temperature meets specification. With vehicle running and AC on, close the high side coupler, allowing the high and low side pressure to stabilize. Once stable, close the low side and remove the couplers. Now place the new refrigerant label on the SAE J639 label per local regulations. The process is that easy. We appreciate you taking the time to view this presentation. I'm Steve Schaeber from Max. Thanks for watching.